Our end-to-end inventory management system is one of the hallmarks of the AR platform. While cost of goods sold remains one of the biggest expenses for practice, it's often mismanaged day to day, but not anymore. Our system allows you to track inventory at the time of charting. As soon as you chart a product or service, it's immediately deducted from your inventory. This keeps your inventory accurate. If you use it, it's deducted. We also offer inventory variations. You can build recipes or combinations so you can track services, retail, and medical supplies that span a single procedure. Or you can charge different prices for different products based on indication or provider. You can also build variations with certain procedure names specific to your practice. Change a filler syringe to the perfect Pout, and differentiate yourself from the competition. You can reconcile your inventory as often as you like. You can manage any deviations from what you expect and what's actually on the shelf. If there is a difference, you can easily solve it. You structure responses and then pull reports for trends over time. This can be done at the overall clinic level or only for a few products at a specific time. With stock levels, you can set thresholds, so when inventory quantities hit certain levels, you get alerted immediately. And you can automate the creation of a purchase order and send it to the appropriate sales rep or the manufacturer. You can review all clinic stock levels and order directly from the reconciliation screens. Your orders go to your sales rep, who can then either place it or help you change your quantities to take advantage of extra discounts. Do you need to move stock from one clinic to the other? You can create a stock transfer. So the inventory is pulled off of one shelf and formally placed on the other. This helps you move stock in an automated fashion and keeps the books very clean. Whether accepting a stock transfer or receiving new products, you can easily reconcile the amounts, add it to your inventory, and bear the cost to company as needed. Are you taking advantage of a collaboration with a vendor? You can add in free goods and giveaways so you can track how they move through your practice and which patients took advantage of these great promotions. Are you curious as to how inventory is being sold or which providers are moving the most product? Your Business Insights reports include an entire inventory overview. You can see your year-over-year levels, provider usage, clinic usage, cost to company reports, and really so much more. What if there's an adverse event? How can you find that? Your lot number reports can provide an on-demand review of which patients got which products, down to the lot number. Lastly, our forecasting tool helps you determine how much inventory you may need to meet your weekly appointment demands. You can cross-reference your average usage per service, your services booked, and then check your inventory on the shelf. You can see if you have enough and if you need to order more. Managing inventory is a complex process, and there are so many places where your data integrity can be compromised. Let us help you order, track, use, and manage one of your most valuable practice assets.